Alright, welcome to the At the Ends of Eras video game development stream with me, the Eras, I guess. I should put a little seam here. Look at how long that triangle is. That's bad form. Anyway, let's see. Last time was Wednesday, I believe, and I was doing stuff. Let's see all that cool stuff that I was working on. Oh yeah, I made that new coat. So my first task will be to give it textures because it looks not very good without texture. And I should also make sure that it actually looks good with texture because I think I need to sharpen the shoulders a little bit. I also need to do some stuff with the waist because it's not quite right. Wrote a few different things. So I'll have to make sure that that looks good. I think overall it looks okay. Though yeah, with a light color, it looks more like one of those loose-fitting shirts. And I also need to figure out someday what these are. Because I think there's some threading issue. Oh, I know what it is. It's because, yeah, that should be fixed eventually. I'll just put that in the bugs. Let's do, fix multi-threaded loading at start. So basically it's because it loads chunks in a separate thread, but if you're too close, like where it has to load right now, or the game isn't going to function, like you're going to fall through the world or whatever, it has to load it in the same thread or the main thread. But right now, I don't have any way of not loading if it's already loading a resource in the other thread. So what I should probably do is if you're teleporting or loading something, it should just load it all in the main thread from the get-go. And that would work pretty well. Or it should queue all that loading and then wait for the thread to actually be done before it starts letting the player move. But okay, that's not what we're doing today. We are doing fixing the back of the neck, right, because I need to bring up that collar more because it doesn't look very good. And then do textures, then we do the waist weights. Then we raise the collar. Oh, right, there's clipping as well. That's what I needed to fix. So let's go to flight jacket. So this part here, I should hopefully improve it. And then, while we're here, I should probably also just raise this up. So it needs to be right here, I think. Yeah, that seems okay. So it'll be quite a lot of, I think I need the collar to come down more. Yeah, that's about where I want it to be. However, it's going to be quite a lot of fiddling, I think, to get this to look how I want it, because I don't want it to look too weird. Hmm. Oh, I see. This part needs to now have a face here, I guess. Okay. So yeah, nothing too fancy with this little thing, but... Hmm. I'll also need to have asymmetrical textures, so that means that I have to... Hmm. I guess I have to apply the model at some point. Well... Okay, so I guess I should model it now before I do the textures, or fix the model. So, like, just in case this weight painting stuff doesn't work so hot. Like, let's do a coat test. Let's do more extreme, like, waist deformation, like, Oh, um... Do I... Where's my... Things keep disappearing. I need my timeline here. Because I only use that for doing that. Otherwise, the action editor is just the better one. Okay, so this gives us a reasonable, I guess, test case for some extreme deformation. So if I could, I would improve... Well, I guess I can improve this. So let's figure out... What do I want exactly? What would I want here? I guess the shoulder coming up like this. And I would love some extra collar deformation, but I'm not going to get that. Well, we're getting some like crazy candy wrapper effect here. I wonder if I can... Woof. Okay. I don't think I'm going to get very good at that. I think it's just because the collarbone is itself not placed in a very good spot. Because it's like... I mentioned last time, it's like 2 inches too deep into the body for this coat. Like, I think I just put it in the wrong place. So I won't stress it too much, because I think in the distant future I might actually re-rig Jackie, which will be, you know, an undertaking and a half, but... And I guess I should go into weight paint. Because for this part, I had to be very precise to make sure it exactly matched the pants, but now I can be a little bit more, Let's do, like... No, I want a strength of 1, a weight of, like, 0.25, and then, Wasn't there, like, a mode before? There we go, blend. I want to brighten. So I'm going to do, like... Well, where should I do it? Oh, and I think they fixed the bug where, for a while, if you... What was the bug again? Right. If you painted on the wrong side of a mirrored mesh, it would actually, like, paint just the vertices over here. Like, it would paint through it. But I think now they fixed it, maybe. But okay, so then the lumbar is the one. So I think we need this to be darkened. So we're going to go smooth this out. No, that needs to be there. In fact, I think this one. Or like, this. I don't think this is correct. Like, I think this should all be, like, more. Oh, well. It's looking a bit better. And I think this stuff will work okay. Well, yeah, because this box is back up, or this bar here is back lower. And then we have lumbar right here. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Because it's all going to be normalized, so I don't have to worry too much. I just have to worry about the relative weights. So who texted me? Okay, my mom's sending me a video, I think. Yeah, okay. I'll check that soon. Yeah, that's good enough. Because it just, all I needed was to make it feel a little less like this was one solid object. So I think mission accomplished there. Let's say that, let's say improve the waist weights, raise the collar, and other bits. What were the and other bits? Let's see. Because this will be like separate. I'll do that later. Because I'm going to probably make the helmet and gloves. Well, maybe not. Maybe the gloves will be part of this coat, but I would need to re-rig the hands or like redivide the model. But okay, enough of that. Let's, I guess, see it in action first off to make sure that it actually is good. So yeah, the main things I need to look out for are the clipping on the back of the neck. Let's get like a different material. I only have, oh yeah, it's because it only has a flat color right now because its UV maps are all screwed up. Because like a normal one is supposed to look like this. So there's at least some variation. I should probably figure out a way of limiting these flat color coats, because they almost always look bad. Or at least have it so that no matter what, there's at least some contrasting colors, like the buttons versus the fabric of the coat. But okay. So yeah, or like 1950s strongman arms. Ah, well. I do like this sort of style of coat, where it's like, it doesn't go all the way down to the waist. So I might make another style of jacket that's more emphasizing that. Because this one just so happens to have that shape. But okay. I need to be on the lookout. Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, right here. So I think it's a weight painting issue. Yeah, okay. I think I know. I need to just make the neck have some influence on that. As we can see here. Oh. Oh, right. I made it the firing and aiming, so... Yeah, I'll need to improve the control scheme for this, but I'm going to do a whole UI rework anyway. Okay, let's put more... weight paint. So we have back upper. We need some neck motion in here. Do I have neck? Oh, I don't. Neck. So let's make a coat test. So that's good. Then we're gonna do like right here. Another test where it's like, I guess the neck is coming up. That's the issue. There we go. And then, yeah, we can see right here. That's clearly the issue then. So how much weight do we need here? So I'm just gonna mangle this a little bit because I'm not making this part look fantastic. I just need it to not clip. So let's just have like and I guess I can smooth this out later. Oh, it's not quite right. Also, what exactly am I missing here? So there's like... I know. It's because the back upper has too much influence here. Is this like... What is this? Oh, it's because... Okay. It's just weird looking. So this is still a problem. And hopefully I'm not, like, horribly screwing this up. But I guess the neck is a parent of, or child of the torso, so in general, this shouldn't be a terrible issue. Okay, but let's also... I need to bring this back a little bit more. I overcorrected a bit. Okay, I think, like... Oh. I think that's good for that. So then the collar will make it... will reduce its influence a little bit on this part. Oh, okay. It's just there's very low precision here. And that's all okay, I guess. Maybe this is too much. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, let's... So this is wicked screwed up. What did I do here? Oh no, I think the bug is still here. Hang on. I need to very gently, like surgically. I'll need to remember that they don't move the way that it might be intuitive to think. Because if we go back to... Well, let's stay here and weight paint. Because they're parented to the neck. They're not like gonna follow it. They're gonna move relative to it. So I guess... Well, I guess all of these will move the way that I want. Because the neck starts here. So yeah, if the neck moves forward, all of this will tilt forward like... going down like this. Hmm. Hmm. I guess what I could do is I could just extrude some stuff down here Because otherwise I'll have to figure out how exactly to make it look good. But also, this looks quite bad. Well, I guess that's fine though, because I don't care that much about like this like specific collar area. So yeah, let's just grab some vertices here. And then, does that not work? What is happening here? Is it like going inside the neck? What if I just extruded this part upward? Like just do that a little bit. Then we're not getting the clipping. There's still some ugly stuff here, but I don't know. I'm not sophisticated enough at this interpolation to actually fix that. Yeah, I don't see any clipping there. That seems fine. So then I'll need to just texture it, make it look good. Okay, so let's just I don't know what other bits are. And we'll just put that'll be for later. 'Cause that's in aesthetics, I think. Yeah, I have give everybody fingers as one of my things. So I guess I have to apply this. So let's just do. Oh, I should hang on. Before I do that, let's apply. Let's get like some seams in here first. So, do I actually even need anything in here? Oh, okay. I guess right here, I think would be a good spot for this. And then maybe like that. And I can also do the same thing here, because I think there's going to be a different material for these parts. Or like a different part of the texture. And then I guess this is all fine as one island. Oh wait, but this will actually be, this will be a big enough part because it's going to be like, it's going to have like a logo on it. So I think I should do like there we go. And then I can give a prominent spot for the back. The front will matter less. I can probably even like keep this mirrored. In fact, you know what? I think I'll do that, maybe. You know, mirror everything except for this part. That'll be a pain to workflow though. Should I, if this part is like not seamed, well, yeah, and just for simplicity, this whole thing will be a seam or an island. Okay, looks good to me. I'll need to have room for alright, we'll need a different material here. Oh wait, I needed all of these. Hmm. Hmm. How did that not work? Like, oh, I missed this. Okay. Now I think we have, yeah, now we're cooking. Because now we have this. So I'm going to need to, let's properly categorize everything here. Let's get this part. Let's also just do this. Because this part is not going to matter very much. And also, I need to keep in mind that some of this texture, or some of these are actually going to be a different material that I can blend however I want. Like, this part is going to be, this part will need to be symmetrical. So I'll need to keep that in mind. Actually, let's do that now. Because I think the collar, this part And I should have added it. I should make a, well, maybe I won't do any zipper thing. But basically, oh wait, no, this whole thing actually. And not this. This collar, this trim, and this trim are all gonna be the coat material. Maybe, well, I kind of don't want that though. Because that would mean this part is black, so this is all going to be black leather. And so I either can have a fur trim, or I can have the procedurally generated like colors that I use for the other coat material. I guess I could do something fancy with the texture. I'll make it work. These are now going to be a separate material, so I'm not even going to consider them for the UV wrapping here. Let's just do... This will be material 2 then. No, I know. This will be material 1. Material 2 is actually going to be the... all the actual, like, coat stuff. Just so that I don't have to reprogram my coats logic. So let's like select this. This will be again another pain because I'll have to unwrap these only when I do the only after I apply the mirror, because I'm going to make them symmetrical. So that way, if the texture is symmetrical, they're symmetrical, but otherwise it won't be. And then these, I guess I can unwrap these now, and we can start simplifying this. So let's disable this. Select this. Okay, so this is our texture stuff. This is the important one. So I'll have to make sure that there's room for it. And the rest of this is just going to be plain leather. And this will be... I guess this will also be mirrored. That'll be fine. Okay, I guess I gotta apply the modifier now. Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this one. There's a lot of space over here that I think I can pack this in better. It's like if I put that there. Can I get both of these? There we go. And I'll keep it horizontal, and I'll just fiddle with this. Hang on, I have a great idea. And for the rest of these, well, I guess this is going to be annoying. Oh well. Oh, right, because this is one piece, it's still technically... So it's just funky. Because it's one island. Just mirrored by automatically flipping the vertices, or attaching them, however. Okay. That seems pretty good. That gives me plenty of stuff on the back, because that's where all the fancy stuff is going to be. It gives me, whatever this is. So this is like the... So this is like the shoulder, then the chest, then the waist here, or like this part. Okay. Fine and dandy. And then we can do this one. And these are going to have a very unusual layout because they need to also scale properly with the what have you. The coat materials, I guess. So if they're too big in the UV map, they'll just look weird. Is this needs to be like... Okay. And I aligned this vertex with this, like, grid line. Okay. That looks okay. So I guess the start of this coat. Let's get back a flight jacket. So we're gonna do what am I doing? Export UV? Where is that? Maybe it's an image? View? Hang on. Blender, export, UV, layout. How did I forget how to do this? I've done this like a million times. UV editor, export UV layout. UV. Show hide UV, mark seams. Yeah, it's in UV. Am I just missing it? Am I just blind? Display unwrapped. Hmm. I just don't see it. What am I missing? Do I have to do like a what the fuck? Maybe I have to do like a new material or something? No, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's just create a new texture. So this will be like UV text. No, light jacket albedo. And it'll be, I guess, black by default. Hmm. How am I too dumb to do this? As a way of communicating to an artist who is painting a UV behind you, Blender has a tool called UV Layout that saves the image as a targa, EPS, or SVG for the object you have selected. Is there a extension to load it as your... Oh wait, using your favorite, you can export UV layout to create. It's literally UV editor, UV export, UV layout. It's not here though. It's just not here. I go to UV, there's no export UV layout. Did they change it in Blender 3? Is there like an extension that I have to configure now? Hang on, let's do like edit preferences, add-ons. Like UV, what? Okay, just make the 3D modeling an extension then. Okay. Well, glad I solved that. Okay, so this is just going to be called Flight Jacket UV, I guess. And let's do like... Let's splurge a little bit. And I guess I'll probably have to put some like fake shine on this because I'm not going to do normal maps. Because then I'd have to redo all my shaders to also allow for normal maps. And plus it'd be like a little bit uncanny. So hopefully the fake details work. But anyway, I need to... My coffee went cold, so I'm going to microwave that and use the bathroom. I'll be back in a minute. And I'm back. Okay. Krita has woken up. Let's do open. What have I been working on? What is this? Project. What is it? Characters, Jackie, coats, white jacket. Okay, so we're gonna start with just black, I guess, or let's do a dark gray so that I can see, and then eventually I'll make that black. And we'll do like I just realized I don't know how this thing ends. So like I guess it goes from like square to rectangular. So it'd be like this is the out, this is the back, this is the front. So let's do, I guess we'll keep this gray. And let's see if my tablet works. It's not cooperating. Oh, it's also scrolling. It was scrolling. Okay, never mind. It's fine now. It's just insanely laggy for some reason. What is this? Oh, okay, I understand. So yeah, I just want a little bit of I don't know, texture here. So yeah, and I guess I will keep this dark gray. Well, I might keep it. But basically, I want this sort of like fabric texture for the what have you. This like waist part. Because you know, there's oftentimes that like leather and then like a smaller like or like a form-fitting cloth layer that has sort of like corrugation. I don't know what the proper word for it would be. But I guess it's probably just to keep the sweat from like pooling or like sticking to the person. You know, also like the ridges on socks that are long. Which I guess is also primarily for like the purposes of how would that, oh, because that would also be useful for just making it like accordion in, like there's elastic in here. So this will look ugly as sin, probably. But that's okay. Then we'll just get some like lighter gray for like the how exactly should this work? I think I want like a little hint of like zipper. And someday I'll even learn how to draw horizontal lines. And I guess I'll just start with this and also a circle. So there's going to be a sketch for the logo here, because it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be all badass and stuff. So I guess it'd be like here. Assets. No, wait, project materials coats. This will be like, so by default, there's the palette textures that are used here. So I think that UV map is done for. Okay, so we're gonna have to go out a little bit more. I'll have to push this in a little bit. Alright, how do I, like, reload the image? There we go. Good thing I didn't stretch this out any further horizontally, because otherwise this would be impossible to do. So what I'm going to do, probably, is I'll have this as a reference, and then I'll make the logo for this flight group in something else, or, like, as a different place. And this looks, that looks okay. Yeah, it's vaguely what I would want. And also I'm going to just delete this face here. I wonder, so now my custom coats will need custom materials. Alright, you know what? Let's see. So I'm gonna do... So that's good for now. Let's go to my coat. Oh, wait. What am I gonna do here? I need my coat viewer? I guess let's do material coat matte too. Set surface material 1 as materials type. Oh wait, no. So we need I guess default spatial. Or main spatial, what did I call it? Main spatial. I should have called it default spatial. So we'll need no subsurface scattering. A little bit less softness, a little bit more specularity than this. And eventually I'll need to cut the resolution in half, but that'll be fine. Because right now, I mean 2048, that's a big texture. Okay, and I can see materials not set. And I actually know why. Go to player or animator, coat. Yeah, set surface material 0. And hopefully this works. Yeah, so this is going to be exactly the same error that the player is getting, but it's because of my loading. What if I just go to world? Wait, I am in world. Start, or ready? I don't know how to figure that out for now. I'll just have to... I don't know. I guess I can just teleport to a different chunk. Which doesn't have any people in it. Like, let's do, like... Oh, right. I forgot that I, turned off the UI for some screenshots because I was doing UI mockups that I didn't actually start. Wait, this isn't what I wanted. Was it like 107? There we are. So this way, those little guys won't show up. So if we clear this, hopefully. So now we're out here in the sticks. Okay, now we're getting there. So if type in materials. So what is this then? Hang on, let's go to the mesh. No, yeah, base mesh is actually what I need. So let's get our coat, and let's chuck that. Let's get another one. So where's the other material? There's distinctly two materials here. Maybe it's not, maybe it's because I haven't restarted? No, it's distinctly, What is this? This isn't correct. There are, as I can count them, two materials here. And they do different things. Am I not exporting? It's called GH... What is this GHT? Oh, it was flight jacket. Okay. I thought I had done a typo. I don't get it. I don't get it. There's two materials. Oh, wait. Hang on. Does this fucking god... Okay. I'm thinking what happens is, if you set no export, do not export materials and combine fuck you. Do not export materials, but write material primitive groups. Okay, my fault. But in my defense, that was a dumb, that's dumb behavior. I don't know why anyone would ever not want that. What did I do? Did it save that? I don't want it saved that. Okay, hang on. I'm renaming that progress folder, because that's been a thorn in my side for this entire thing since I made it. Because basically, progress was like, oh, development progress. But that's marketing. That goes here. Replace them. I don't care. So yeah, game dev tip. Have every file start with 3 different letters. Because otherwise tab completion is going to be annoying. And that's all A-okay. Let's see if it doesn't. What the hell is this? God damn. What did I do? Wait, did I use git add? What did I do? Okay, I did git checkout, that's fine. So what else did I break by accident? By just like, I guess just pressing random buttons. Okay. So now, this works better. This is okay. Her waist is actually very, very thin here. But I think it's also because this animation was not designed for this body. Because I think, do I actually, hang on. I think her steering might be like, yeah, I think I just have to actually like fix the animation at this point. Like this is just like very stretchy waist. You know, like this is one of those cases where it's like literally where did her organs go? But okay, I'll fix that. That'll just be the animation there. What does this need? So we need like detail here. So for things like the buttons, the pockets, the actual logo on the back here. Also, I think it needs to be shinier. Let's go to my... I wonder if I can... So, material. Coat, matte 2. I guess that's about as good as I can get it without it looking weird. So yeah, because it'll be leather. And I guess, actually, should it be brown? Nah, I guess I'll go with black. And then we'll need, it's just fun running around with this scooter. Which is unfortunate because it also lets you go on water. And I wanted water to be, like, one of the main, like, platforming obstacles. But, well, I guess I can just not have it be an obstacle. And just have bottomless pits instead. And another thing I'd like to fix for V2 that nobody's pointed out, but it's the terrain sometimes has seams in it because the low-res polygons or the low-res meshes don't quite mesh. I don't know how I'll fix that because if I just have them like compatible at the edges, that removes a lot of the savings, since they're like 1/10 the detail through just a simple decimation, and it's like really effective. But I'll need to figure out what I want to do with that. Okay, whatever. I'm fiddling too much now. That's good. That's done what I've wanted it to do. I'll have to figure out what this is all about. Did I do something with the lumen? Oh, it's because they're materials. Okay, it's because I did the exact same mistake with them, where they don't have their materials exported anymore. So these, their bodies. Or how is this actually? Okay, so I need to use that placeholder material thing instead of. Okay, let's go to little man. I was worried it was just so I guess it's not the multi-threading. Because I experienced the same issue before, but it was only when I was loading things from a separate thread with single-threaded rendering enabled. So I was worried it was just, you know, some sort of inverse of that problem. What? Oh. It's also, well, I'm fine with this as it is. So I think this mesh good enough for now. Because now what we need are things like the pockets, the folds and sort of wrinkles. And I think here there'll be a similar thing to the there'll be that similar sort of fabric look, because that looks fine. That looks okay. Oh, but this one will be a little bit trickier, I've realized, because I'll have to make sure that the seams are not super visible. Because for this one, there's like the zipper, and then the what have you. Oh, this could be like, hang on. This could be like mismatched. Yeah, it's a little mismatched right there. Let's see where I'd have to put that to get it proper. Wait, that's not even the right thing. I'm guessing here needs to be higher, so let's just try with a crude, like... Oh, wait. Alright, that gets us to the right place. Good enough. So I would like pockets, so I suppose there'd be like chest pockets, so let's just... I guess I'll just sketch those out for now. Make sure that I'm putting these in the right place. Hmm. So these almost need to be like on the shoulders. But let's do like here for now. A little too far. Yeah, that's coming along. So yeah, now we need shoulders. So it would be like... Okay, that's in the right-ish place. Let's go a little bit further down. Pretty cool. Let's get a little bit of like fake ambient occlusion in here. I think like right in here then. And then here would be on the opposite side, so it'd be like right in here. And this would be like just straight black. This as well. I think I need this as a created document as well. Unless it's oh, but this will make it insanely like tedious to export, because I'll have to do like file. Where's export? And I'm pretty sure it doesn't save this folder, so it'd have to be like to do that every time. Yeah, like does it save this directory? Thank God. Okay. So that should be easy. Yeah, that looks fine. And I could do better with this, these pockets, because they don't really look like that. And I could also do the fake specularity still. But I probably won't. Alright, let's see if I fix that bug with the little guys. Well, I didn't fix the bug with the coat. Or I've introduced a bug with the coat. Convenient. Okay. Yeah, some fake specularity actually would be really useful here. Actually, what? Okay, I'm seeing the issue here. I didn't put any of... Yeah, I put literally none of the motion whatsoever for this leaning into her, like, full body. It's strictly her back. Like, her hips are, like, glued in the same spot on the board. So that's a little bit unrealistic. But I only noticed it now that we actually have her hips showing, because with her old coat, all that's just hidden away. Though admittedly, it doesn't look great here either. Now that I'm like looking closely, it's just also her belt hid away a lot of that jank. Yeah, like she's not doing so hot here either physically. Like her torso's just at a direct 90-degree angle from her hips. Okay, I should not play that. But okay. So we have stuff working. So let's put that in. Stuff working, fixed I guess new coat material. So I'll have to go back in and fix that, because I did that with a bunch of things. Anything that I was re-importing, I set it to none instead of placeholder. But yeah, I'll add fake specularity in like a second pass or something. What we need to do is make a cool logo for our eagles. What's happening here? I guess I'll try this. I'm not getting... Why am I not getting anything? Oh, okay, cool. Was I in like eraser mode maybe? Okay, whatever. We now have a thing. I don't know why they locked down the background, as if I'm so attached to just a white background. Let's do... I think the color... sort of like this by default. What should it be? Like dark red. Would be cool. But let's... How do I lay out text in a circle without going insane? Let's see, there's the website for curved text. Curved text generator. Okay, here we go. We have a little thing. So what was the logo, or what was the slogan from? Something like Majesty. Valen Flight Brigade. I appreciate that it just starts wherever. I think that gives it more power. So what do we want? A very strong selection of fonts here. All right, what's the terms of use, though, to make sure that I'm not doing this? Hang on. Inkscape. Let's see if Inkscape knows how to do this. Okay. Okay, yep. Inkscape is the answer here. As much as I'm loath to say it, filled with immense regret, I have to report that Inkscape can do this. So now I'll have to, but hopefully, with enough luck and enough trials and tribulations, I can create a document that has a specific pixel size because I want it to export to a specific size of pixels. So I can already see we're doing great things here. Defaulted to 189 by 281 pixels. All right, where does the document properties? I want pixels. Where are pixels? Start with an icon, and then we'll go to 2048 by 2048. So let's put a circle in the center. Can I do like a view page grid? Ooh, I need to figure out, okay, shift is what I need. Now we're getting somewhere. So let's call it ooh yeah. That's the power of the PlayStation 5. So we need a cool font. What's a cool font that I have? It has abandoned me. Linux Libertine Display G. I mean, that looks kind of cool. But I think I actually need bold. And, what would we need? Like, more than that. 80? So now what did I deleted the incantation there. Hang on. Inkscape put text on path. Okay. So I can do text put on path. Mm-hmm. Okay, look at that. That gets us here. And then, can I rotate the path? Thank you for... Hang on. Why? Oh, wait. Okay, I get it now. There we go. I wonder if I can flip, though. That'll also be a trick. What was it? 1235, all but God underneath. And I guess I don't need to fiddle with this too much because I can also rotate it just because I'm going to import the text or export it as an image, import it into Krita, fiddle with it there. What did I use? Linux Libertine? Bold. Let's do 110 for this. Hopefully this is readable. I mean, I guess if it's not, I can just increase the resolution. Or keep the resolution high. So we now need our invisible. I didn't think that one through. Hmm. Uh-oh. How do we do this now? So like Inkscape text on circle invert or whatever. So I need to go to path reverse. So I'm probably going to need... Let's... Okay, maybe I need to just delete or close some things. Maybe I'm just have too much stuff open now. See, let's save this as like logo. Assets, nope, it just takes a full second of clicking for it to respond to my click. Okay. This will be like subtitle. Brigade name. Circle. Clockwise. Because I think it's because it goes this way. And I need to go the opposite way. So I think I can do a duplicate. Make this... Let's do anti-clockwise, because CCW and CW are easy to confuse. And then we can do path reverse direction. And then, assets, characters, Jackie, coats. Put on path. Hopefully this works. Take your time. How do I just, can I just rotate it here? Can I like... Alright, let's put the fill at something. Is it... Then don't fill this one. This is not the one that I select. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god. Inkscape is my enemy. Okay, let's try this very slowly. So I'm selecting this one. I'm not selecting this one. In fact, let's lock everything except for this. So we have one thing selected. We put it here. Then we're going to do this. So it's a light gray. Now I'm going to make sure no fill there. Then we're going to click. What am I clicking? What am I clicking? Why am I selecting the whole layer? How does the click button not work anymore? What did I do? Is it because it's reversed? So what, can I click? Can I click the text? Can I click this? Can I rotate this? Okay. Subtitle, and then this, and then text, put on path. Maybe I need to object a path. And then we can do reverse. And then I can put this down here. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. And then I can rotate this. Maybe I can rotate something else. I wonder if someday I'll be able to select the circle again. I don't care. Whatever. This gets me what I want. Hide the circles. Go to document. See, so we have the whole page selected. The image size I specifically set the document to be 2048 pixels, and it decided it wanted to export at 512. Okay, whatever. Export as. You know what? Fine. Bitmap.png in the desktop. How the fuck do you refresh the desktop again? Where'd it go? Is it in like user folder or something? How do I get to that again? Windows is terrible. Okay, Windows, user, path, shortcut. User profile. There we go. Do I have Vim installed on this thing? Oh, it's because I just realized it's because Git automatically installs Vim, because that's still the default editor. I can't believe by far the hardest part of this so far has been getting text going in a circle. Like every time I have to interact with Inkscape, it fills me with dread. Oh, okay. It's because... Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Just insert... I have to make sure that I'm like reading fully to understand what I'm doing. Okay. So I need to... Let's like Control-Alt-I. Down to 1024. Because I actually need it here. And then let's grab very slowly. This is going to be tough because I'm going to have to... Oh, that's not... Actually. Easy. Easiest thing in my life. So we'll have to get a different paint layer, though. So like these... Wait, is the circle smaller? Hang on. I don't get it. Wait, did I misunderstand? Did I... Oh, wait, I just realized why it is. Okay, that's my fault. It should be... So, I need to make another circle for this one, because this one needs to be... Because they need to sit on the same circle, or surround the same circle, but one of them needs to be technically inside of a circle. Let's go back to the Inkscape mines. Okay, so for circle ACW, I need to... can I increase its size? How do I disable snap to grid? Okay, document properties. Where's the grid? Enabled. There we go. And then I can't rotate it. Oh well, the text is not technically touching, so this will be perfectly fine. A-okay. Though I need it to be... I need it to this. There we go. Wait, does this... I think this does what I want. Did I accidentally scale it, like, horizontally, though? Let's do, like, a fill here. So this circle should be smaller, and it should be perfectly concentric. Oh. Hang on. Okay, there we go. Are these concentric? I think they are. Open a new document. I guess if I put the centers of these two at the same spot, like vertically, it should be about there. I'll also need some other text for the date, but I'll just do that in Krita here. Hang on, I have a great solution for this. So where do we need? We need this moving down a little bit more. I guess, okay, that's about even, it looks like. Oh, wait, there we go. So all of that to say, ta-da! It's off center. I knew it was off center. Okay, whatever. Let's just grab this thing. I don't know, let's grab a circle. Put it like right there. So this will be our paint layer. Did I rotate it about the wrong axis or something? What the hell happened here? Okay, first off, let's see if this text is even readable. Because if it's not, I'll figure out something to do. So what are my recent open documents? This one. So let's say that's good for now. That's done its job. I need to figure out, there's so many places where I just have to like click 30 things every single time I want to do something, and I just need to figure out how to like make that workflow better. Like I just need like an instant like save this file as a PNG, yes overwrite, yes these settings. And like save the directory. I'm not going to save to like a different file every time. Well, I certainly don't think that's going to be super visible. But I don't know if there's anything that I could do that would be better for that. Oh, I think it's also because it's like it's using like the what is that DXT compression, I think it's called. Let's do the flight jacket. Let's do like high quality. Disabled. And I'll even do anisotropic filtering because that'll be fancy. Oh, it's going. It's going. Right, and I'm gonna like cut this detail in half soon. So if like I can't read it now, it'll be wow, it's really like working on this PNG, huh? I think maybe I should just do lossless compression. Okay, so if that's a better color, I think that'd be fine. Though it's so small that you can't even really see it. Oh well. Good thing the dialogue explicitly says what it says. Hmm. Okay, so that'll be how that works. So now I actually need to like design a like cool thing. Also, I should probably let's do like so this is the text, right? Let's scale it up a little bit. Oh, I see. I see what happened maybe. I think. Can I like Okay. So that's the issue though. Scaling up does not actually do it in the center. Why is oh well, whatever. Looks good. Good enough. Oh right. Thought I was so clever. What was the year? 1235. And I think that'll just be written. like 1, and a 1 is pretty narrow. So it'd be like there. Then we have a little bit of a space for a 2. Then like a 3 here. And a 5 here. And I was pretty close with I was pretty close eyeballing that. That's okay. Okay. So we need a 1. Not exactly a super... Not exactly a high quality serif font here, but I'll figure out how to do that soon. Yeah, that looks more like I don't know, something handwritten in a high school yearbook from the 70s. I could probably honestly just hand position the letters. Let's just grab some letters. So we need that Linux font that I was using. Linux Libertine G. Bold. Let's do bold italic. No, that'd be confusing. Close, and then we will merge this down to here. And now we're starting the Night in the Woods soundtrack. Feels like it's a different height than the other one. Oh. Okay, let's do right like here, I think is the midpoint. Well, yeah, I guess so. I just think I think these two letters are off. What am I doing here? Okay, it's because there's an eraser. Oh, wait. All right, that looks okay. So we're gonna make this What happens if I do it like this? I think it becomes more obvious that this 2 is off. So we need one to be like... Okay, it is 12:31, so I should be going soon. But I'll do a little bit of whatever this is. Well, actually, let's do it here. So this is like another like thing on top of this. Ta-da! This is just off center. It's just gonna drive me crazy. Okay, I'll move this and then I'll go. And take my walk and all that. I think about here is the center. I think that's good. Okay. I'm going to be back in an hour and a half. I'm going to eat and walk. See you later.